Hello everyone and welcome to the Comolino channel. Now I have this advice for making a device to blow air and fan the embers when we make a campfire. Or for our barbecues. It is super simple to make and with recycled materials that we already have in other houses. This will help you a lot when the fire is already going out and you will be able to do it quickly. And directly where you want it to light. And without the need to take out the mother's or sister's dryer or fanning with a plate or a magazine. Let's see what we're going to need. We are going to need 2 bottles. In this case 2.5 liters, but it can be any that more or less has the same diameter since one will go inside the other so we can get the air in and out. Some scissors to cut the plastic and a knife to make the hole before putting the scissors in. We will also need the charcoal and the fire to test it, so let's see how to make it. We are going to take one of the bottles and the knife and we are going to make a hole where the straight part of the bottle ends, as shown in the video. Then we take the scissors and cut the entire bottle following its circumference. Try to make it as straight as possible, although it doesn't have to be perfect. In the end it should look more or less like a funnel as you can see on the screen. We take the other bottle and do exactly the same. We pierce with a knife making sure it has the lid on as it is easier to penetrate that way. Then we take the scissors and cut around it so that we have the same funnel shape that we had with the other bottle, as I show you in the video. Once cut, we remove the lid from one of them and from the one that doesn't. We take it and make a vertical cut in the straight part of the bottle as seen on the screen. Try not to overdo it because otherwise it won't have the same effect. Once cut, now we can put the bottle that has the cut in the other one as I show you in the video, and when we take it out and put it in we can see how it blows out enough air and is strong enough to liven up the embers. Here I show you how hard the air blows when pushing the remaining piece of the bottle, and as you can see it pushes it without problems and without great effort. Now all that's left is to try on our grill or campfire. Now we just light our charcoal by making a little mountain and putting a little wood or paper to make it easier to light it. Here I add a little of the pasta that we prepared in a previous video and I will leave you the link in the video, since with that it lights up very quickly and you will not have to wait long for your charcoal to be ready. Just remember to wash your hands well before lighting it or use one of these long lighters to avoid any accidents. As you can see, they light up very quickly with this paste, so if you haven't seen the video yet, go and check it out so you know how to do it. So whether it's because we leave our charcoal unattended or it doesn't want to light very well, we need to stoke it, and that's where you're going to be able to use this device. They just point directly at where they want to stoke the fire and start putting the bottle in and out so that it releases the air and starts lighting the charcoal quickly and very accurately. What if the need to go around taking out the hair remover or fanning with some paper and scattering the ash everywhere? As you can see in the video, it works wonderfully and without any effort, so try it and tell me how it worked for you. As you could see, with just 2 bottles of water or soda we can make this device to fan the embers of our barbecue bonfire, and as you could see it works perfectly, and the best of all is that you can do it without having to spend a single peso, since it is made from recycled materials that we always have on hand. So do it and tell me in the comments how it worked for you. As you already know, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share with all your family, friends and acquaintances, and check out the other videos, as I assure you that some of them will be very useful to you. Thanks for watching and I hope you like this advice. As always, see you in the next videos. Thank you.